Hey guys, how's it going? How to optimize for Core Web Vitals on Hostinger. So before you do anything, make sure that you go to the official website and buy a subscription plan. So if you want to buy a subscription plan or premium, please go to the link in the description below to facilitate buying or starting your journey in Hostinger. Next, if you want to know what are the Core Web Vitals or CWV, Core Web Vitals are a set of metrics used to assess a web page's overall usability. These metrics are part of a larger Google initiatives to deliver a better browsing experience and improve the user satisfaction. There are three core web vitals: the largest content point, interaction to a next point, or cumulative layout shift, right? And basically, why are core web vitals important for site owners? To determine websites ranking, Google considers various page experience signals, including its core web vitals. The better your site's core web vitals scores are, the more likely it is rank high on the search engine results pages, right? So core web life cycle. So each core web vitals metric goes through these several stages before they become stable: experimental, pending, and then stable, right? So in the public, reception is good, and pending metrics that have passed the experimental stage. In the experimental, Google tests new metrics and gather feedback from users and developers. And if you want to optimize the core web vitals on Hostinger, you need basically to know what are the core web vitals and know that if you want to rank high on Google, you need to consider the CWV, right? Or core web vital, CWV. And if you want to measure the core web vital, right, you can measure it through the Google Search Console, right? Go ahead and go to the Google Search Console right here and basically add your domain, right, to measure or gather data from the Chrome User Experience Report, which reflects on how real users interact with your site. And once you've connected your site with Search Console, you can find the Core Web Vitals report by navigating to the experiment and the Core Web Vitals on the left side bar. Okay, so if you want to optimize it, make sure to know first, gather data, and then know what it takes to actually rank high on Google. Okay, so that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to improve the Core Web Vital, if you're not happy with your current performance, they prepared a list of best practices that you can do to improve the CWV scores. So basically, first step, if you want to improve, you need to improve largest contentful pane. The most effective way to boost LCP score is to preload the largest content on your web page, such as your hero image. And by doing so, visitors will be able to consume the complete version of your page much sooner, resulting in a better user experience. Okay, so next, what you're gonna do, right? And you need to improve interaction next to next pane. A heavy front end JavaScript is a common cause of page unresponsiveness. The web browser gets occupied with loading JavaScript files and leaving it with insufficient time to respond to user interaction. The most logical solution is to minify JavaScript using tools like Uglify.js. Minification means removing unnecessary elements from your script, such as eliminating white space, using simpler formats, and shortening function names. And you need to improve cumulative layout shift. Unexpected layout shifts usually occur because the browser can't predict the final size of multimedia content on the page, such as banners, images, and videos. So when image or banner finally loads, it will move around every element within touching distance. The easiest way to avoid this issue is to set a fixed dimension for your visuals. So basically, there's other things. There are other website metrics if you want to use them other than Google. But in conclusion, Core Web Vitals set the benchmark for your page's user friendliness. Right? The better your site's user experience, the more likely visitors will stay and engage with your content. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.